this is my video about my airsoft reload robot.
That's me.
As you can see, it's very nice in the wall.
I'm from US Marine SWAT.
And this is my assault rifle, GR16, G&G. I mounted a red dot and a silencer.
I'm helmet and god dot.
The battery is stuck in here, and the stock is here, mag, and just sprayed.
Capacity 4,000.
Okay, now we'll start. It has a pretty nice range of fire. So we start semi-automatic.
In wars?
Got ready?
I will.
Yeah, okay, semi-automatic. Fully out, sorry. And reload.
That's reloading. Alright. Let's take this glasses off. A little bit of salt now.
Reload.
Right.
And back up.
Back up, weapon.
Out of gas.
Oh, for gas, okay.
Enemy down. As you can see.
Effects reinforced.
And just show it one more time for you guys.
One more time with the Glock, okay.
Now we just try this. Oh, rubber.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll try with the
Semi.
Corp round again. M16.
That's the last one.
And
Stop.
just
Reload.
reload it. I think I'm out of batteries.
And it's over. Thank you guys for watching this video, and leave bad comments.
Don't make this at home, okay.